Hello, everyone. It is a pleasure for me and my colleague Jeannette Solorzano to be part of this organization that promotes health, sport, and kinesiology. We are representing Cal State University of San Bernardino. My name is Betsaida Borjas, and today we will be talking about a research done by Dr. Soyan Han and Alicia Firiwa. The meta-analysis of the relationship between children's physical activity and mental health. This research considers how physical activity has a positive effect in mental and physical health. The US is currently experiencing a decline in physical active children. For the first time in history, the lifespan of children is shorter than their parents. Many of the reasons are the high demand in academics, forgetting the importance of daily physical education, technology as video games, TV, and the lack of parental care. Even though it has been proven that physical activity activates the brain for better learning, physical activity is not a priority. These reasons are a cocktail of contributions to a sedentary behavior leading to obesity. A critical examination is needed in order to get the relationship between physical activity and mental health. Indeed, a deeper psychological resistance may play a role to this change. Most of the time, children lack motivation, confidence, self-esteem, trust, and guidance. All these essential behaviors disconnect the soul from the body, leading to depression, lack of self-care, desire, competence, participation, taking children to a whole where their surroundings and system are not help. An early intervention of physical activity can change the whole healthcare world. Children are our future. Their mental health is the base that will build strong personal behaviors, leading to a strong need of an active lifestyle. The purpose of this study was to research the beneficial outcomes in mental health from specific physical activities. The types of physical activities that were chosen to assess were circuit training, intense, combined, and non-controlled physical activities. These activities can influence the speed or delay in outcomes. The method of this research included a daily data self-report of 246 participants. The reports should be responded as honest and accurate participants can. Also, 73 published and unpublished studies were included. Participants' characteristics were coded to assess effects such as levels of physical activity, if it was circuit training, intense, combined, or non-controlled activity, mental health outcomes, how they feel before and after the physical activity, gender and age, to see how this can influence the outcomes, cognitive abilities, mental status, such as positive or negative, the approach of the physical activity plan, the steps the participant took to perform the activity, and the total amount of hours of physical activity intervention. Now I will give my place to my colleague, Jeannette Solorzano.
Hello, everyone. It is a pleasure to be here with you guys today. I will be talking about the results. The results demonstrating verifying effects that depended on the methodology of the examined study and the characteristics of the participants. For mental health, the outcomes were that physical activity interventions was found to be very effective to reduce depression, anxiety, physiological distress, such as PTSD, and emotional disturbances. It also found that physical activity significantly enhanced children's self-esteem and self-concept. Physical activity intervention circuit training and combined physical activity, intense physical activity, and non-control intensive physical activity showed a very significant decrease in negative mental health outcomes. The total hours of physical activity interventions programs showed that 33 hours had a significant reduction in mental health disturbances. In conclusion, the experimental studies have partially described the relationship between physical activity and mental health. They provide a more accurate indicator of how much physical activity influences mental health outcomes in children. The physical activity children receive had varying effects on their mental health. The studies demonstrated the most significant impact of combining aerobics and resistance training exercise with circuit training, strength training activities, and mixed activities innovations was highly recommended for the kids. As a critique, physical activity plays an important role that is shown in this study with the data provided. The studies demonstrated that most significant impact of combining aerobics and resistance training exercises with circuit training, strength training, and activities and mixed activities innovations, as mentioned before. The more children are involved in these activities, the fewer adverse mental health issues they experience. This research proved that exercise could reduce the risk of many other diseases. Although the amount of activity a person recommended to do is 150 minutes per week, which totals an average of 30 minutes per day. This recommendation will have a significant result in the 30 minutes that are used as a combination of aerobic and resistance training exercises, as well as a circuit training, strength, and training and mixed activities innovations. However, the recommendation of 30 minutes daily could vary from everyone, as everyone has different goals. And as for children, the amount of exercise depends on both their age and their mental development. It is essential to encourage young children to exercise and find activities that they will enjoy, as this will be a long-term positive result. Although we were amazed by all the data collected, a statistical analysis and visualization, we are also intrigued by how accurate these data are, since this survey is based on self-reporting, and that can make an argument about how social desirability issues. And that will conclude our presentation. Thank you, everyone.